I traveled 20 hours from USA to India and I just landed in the Bangalore airport. I'm getting out of my airplane and I'm heading to the terminal. I traveled in 2021 during COVID 19 and I'm going to show you the immigration process and other documentation checks that has been done in this airport. Finally, after around 10 minutes of the walk, I am going upstairs right here to the first checkpoint here. As you can see here on the right side, there is a lot of chairs laid out so that people can sit and fill their documentation if it is needed. And there is a plenty of space around and it's not crowded here. As you can see on the right side, there is some people with the wheelchairs. They are trying to fill their forms. There is also a few tables laid out on the sides. Wheelchair assistants, they are taking care of all the documentation. The walk is quite a bit and it's longer than expected. After long journey, it's tiresome and also it's a little bit warm inside in this airport here. My flight landed at 2:30 a.m. in the morning. I love the Bangalore airport. Look at these beautiful views. It is one of my favorite airports. The colors of the airport and the facilities of these airports are so good. So I stand in line here and a lot of people joining in two lines. The line right to me is for those with the disabilities and with the wheelchairs and the people with the small children. So this is the first line. I'm standing here at this checkpoint. They just checked if I have all the documentation like my negative COVID test and if I filled the Air Suvidha form. They were just checking the documentation at this point here in this first counter. Then I passed to the second gate where they checked my temperature. Then I went to the third gate where they checked my oxygen level using the oximeter. Then they stamp it on my forms. Then in another counter they checked if they have been noted the temperature and the oxygen levels. Then I had to get to another counter where they check if everything is all right. Then I headed to the immigration counter where they actually checked my immigration. They did not take any of my documentation at any of the counters, but just make sure you have 2 to 3 copies of Air Suvidha form and also the negative COVID test in different places just to avoid any further delays if you lose one of them. Then finally I get to go to the baggage claim area where I can pick up my baggage. So I landed around 2:30 and it took like almost 2 hours to complete all these steps. It's so tiring and it is in the middle of the night, so tired after the long journey. I tried to find my baggage claim area number and I could not find on any of the monitors. I thought it may be too early for them to decide the baggage belt. I asked in the service area to find the baggage claim area. Then I headed. I already found my baggage. I got it very quickly and I got a cart which is free of cost. So I got my suitcases. I'm heading out of the airport. As you can see on the right side, look at this. This belt is so full. Maybe one of the airplane came and all the luggage already been there. They stopped the belt and there is so many suitcases piled up. It looks like the passengers did not come yet. There may be immigration delays. But in other airports, I've seen crazy thing like the porters pull out the bags and put it down and we'll be checking on the belt for our baggage, but we will find them outside of the belt sometimes. But that did not happen here. No problems, they did not stop me for any further checks of my baggage. I just got out of the airport. I had to walk a little bit further to get out of this airport. And there is a quite bit of a walk all the way through. Then I exited the airport to meet the car driver. So the whole process was a little slower than expected. It took around 2 hours to complete the whole thing. Other than that, it's not crazy and it is okay and life is going on and people are traveling and nothing to worry that much to travel. Here is the views of the airport from outside, from the pickup area where I'm waiting for my car driver. It looks beautiful here. In the nighttime especially, the Bangalore airport looks very pretty and it's green all around. Finally, after 24 hours of mask, reached Bangalore airport after so many hoops. Until Bangalore, everything went faster and faster. Immigration, check-in and everything, security checks. Once we landed here, it's like temperature check, oxygen levels check, then another 3 counters, then another immigration, then another thing. It's like, it took almost like an hour and a half or 2 hours almost. So finally reached India. I'm waiting for my car. I have a friend Venu coming. Venu, ఎట్టున్నావు? Good to see you. చాలా రోజులైంది చూసి. Alright, so I loaded up my luggage and I'm heading to my hometown Kadapa, and follow me for all beautiful videos which are coming up. Check out this video of me traveling inside the aeroplane to give you an idea how is the air travel for longer period of times. And check out this video to see what gifts I'm getting home from USA to India. Subscribe, beautiful world through my eyes. It's all about travel, food and fun. See you next video.